Hi, and welcome back to the session number 3. So, today we are going to dig into the blueprint of affiliate marketing 25 days challenge. Okay, we are going to deep into it. What are all these things? Hope you have got into my link and filled up details, and I would have sent you this personally. Look, if you have not taken this, please click on the link of this video if you're watching a recording. If you're watching a live, then I will be dropping up after live, I will be dropping a link. Please fill in the details and get this blueprint, which is the replication of the company like Apple, Amazon, Uber. So how they do business? They do all in the same blueprint of the awareness of doing, especially the online business. And it's not only applicable for affiliate. As I said, it can be applicable for any online business. So it's very necessary that you take a printout of this by filling the details which are given a link with this video. Okay, but let me just get into a mindset before going to this session. Hope you are doing all good and safe and staying at home. As I said, if you're doing something like if you're working or doing your own business currently, then please focus and continue on that and keep learning how to improve that particular business or whatever you're doing. Okay, but only follow me or watch my video if you do not have any other work, or if you're keen to learn something new if you're sitting at home. Okay, so only with that focus I am here, because I want to improve my skills and wanted to share whatever I have learned in past so many months. Okay, so please focus and do not follow the garbage, the news, the rumors outside. Do not become an expert on this pandemic, what should be done or what not should be done, or do not forward the videos of the people, or do not share, because it's unwanted things. It's not going to do anything for you. Okay, it's not going to get any revenue or any value to your life. Your life is in your hand, and your success in your hands. Okay, so focus on that, whatever you're doing, or learn something and then scale up on that. Again, if you are complainer on the politics or the whatever the law is doing, then please do not do that. Okay, if you want to do something, then go all out and change. But what I'm saying is, before doing that, change yourself, improve yourself, get a lot of money, become an influential person, and then not only you can change yourself, but people around you, your relatives, your family, and hope the whole country also. Okay, so become rich and become powerful, and then go all out and change if you have some complaint on the government or against the law. Okay, thank you so much. And so let's get into blueprint. Again, if you're not watched my previous two sessions, if you're watching me on YouTube or this my page, please go and watch, because we already got in the last session what is affiliate marketing, and I hope you understood that. If you have, please go to the video and please comment on that whatever you understood. I hope I made sense. Okay, it's a motivation for me to make it more crisp and clear and make it very simple, whatever I learned, and to share with you. Okay, so as you understood the second session where we got deep into the affiliate marketing, so today we are going to see about the blueprint. So let me take this out. So today we are going to talk about the blueprint. As I said, whoever is doing affiliate marketing, they are taking the link and sending it to the people to click on it. Okay, you have seen 80% amateur people, not amateur people, amateur people who are taking a link and just forwarding on a WhatsApp, on a Messenger, Telegram group, so people can click on that, and they might buy it. Okay, that's a very illogical unconditional, you should never do it. Okay, what will happen? People are focusing only on this. It's a product. They are focusing on the product. They're taking the people and they're sending to the product directly. You should never do it. If you do this, definitely you're going to fail. Until unless you're lucky, you might be lucky for 1 or 2 sales, might be, okay? But you will fail definitely. This is what everybody does, 80%, and that is where you will fail. You should never do that. Never share a link to the direct to the people on the WhatsApp group or any Facebook group, okay? Instead of that, what we should do is, we should concentrate, as I said in my first session, is the result. Result. What we are going to get the result? We are going to get a happiness, okay? So customer is going to get a result through the product. Obviously, the product is a center point where we'll get the revenue and we'll be happy, and customer will get a result and he or she will be happy. So our core concentration is on product, but the way the promotion is not to send a promote directly product, but to the result, that is need of the market. So what we should do is, if there are some people, we need to create a opt-in page. It's here, okay? This is called the opt-in page. So we need to clear a opt-in page. You have seen a lot of ads on Facebook nowadays in past 1 year. What happens? When you click on, if you find some valuable ad on the Facebook, what you do? You just go and click on that particular ad. And once you click on that particular ad, you drop into opt-in page. That is called landing page. So that collects an email ID, your name, your details. Okay. So that's called an opt-in page. Now what happens? Once you click an opt-in, once you fill the details there, and if you submit, it will directly take you to this product again. Okay? It will take you to this product. Again, in this case, again, you might get 1% success. But again, you will not get a 100% success, the result, whatever we are looking, or the customer, whatever. Okay? He might opt in, but he might not buy it. So what we should do is, we should create a pre-frame funnel. It's a middle pre-frame funnel. Now I will get deep into this one in the coming video. Let's concentrate on the opt-in page, the product, and understood the awareness about the blueprint all over this. Okay. Now, the people here are, you can send through 3 traffic ways. This can be a level 1, this can be a level 2, this can be a level 3. Okay. There are many traffics on the internet. See, if you have a business and if you don't have a people visiting there, if you don't have a traffic, then how you will get a money by selling a product? Traffic is very, very important. Okay. If you do not have a traffic, you do not have a business. As simple as that. For example, if you are having a shop, now you have opened a shop, you have invested, you have put up a lot of products there. But if people are not visiting to your shop, then what is the use? So to bring the people, there is certain kind of tactics and strategies that is called internet traffic. Okay, that I'm going to share with you in the coming videos. But I'm just trying to give an example. And if you click the link, whichever I given with this, and if you fill your details, in the coming videos, I will give you a free course of internet traffic. which is not applicable only for this, as I said, any online business. So you should understand different kind of traffic to bring the people to sell the product and make the money. Okay, so let's get to it. So as I said, this is a landing page, but many people might click, but once it opens the landing page where it asks the email list and all, they might not fill it and they might delete or go back. Okay, so you might not get lead, but you can retarget them. You can retarget. You see this cloud? That is called retarget. Again, we'll go deep into this in the coming videos. Similar way, in the pre-funnel, if they don't opt in and buy your product, you have to chance to retarget here also. Okay. Now, if they opt in on your page and if they fill your details, whatever page you have given, and if they fill their email ID and all the details, they will get into your list. Now, list is the data. How many websites you have logged in and you have submitted your data to get some information. Look, if you want to open a Gmail account, a simple Gmail account, you need to give your information. You need to give your name, email ID, phone number. Okay? Amazon, if you create an account, you need to fill that data. Apple, if you're buying any Apple products, you need to fill a data. You need to open an account. So this is very, very important. Okay, this is the leads. This is the prospects. If you do not have a data, if you do not have a traffic, I said, if you do not have a leads, then you do not have a business. As simple as that. Okay, you should have a customer coming to you. You should know what they want, what is their liking, disliking, by having a list, by communicating with them in free-frame funnel, and by selling a product. If you do not have a traffic and if you do not have a list, you do not have a business. As simple as that. Okay. Now, list. By having a list, from list again, you can having a list. You cannot sell a product by sending them a mails or around. Okay, there are certain rules again. How they will trust you? They have opted on the page. They have given you the details, and once you got the details, and every time you will be sending on a mail to them. Sometime I purchase a product from Amazon. Amazon keep on sending the mails, but have you checked what mails they are sending? They are not sending a product sale. Okay, every time they are not asking you to buy this. They are not sending you again and again suggestion, pitching to sell you. They are not pushing another product to sell you since they have a list of yours. They will, what they will do, they are, first you bought a product, okay, they know you have bought, suppose I have bought this board through the Amazon. What happens? So once I bought the board, next mail will be, they will give me a confirmation saying that thank you for buying this and please give a review. Okay, they are not pushing any other product. The second mail, it might be coming, okay, your product is been dispatched and it will reach in so and so days. Now again, they are not pitching, they are just giving a value by telling where is your product. Now third mail, they are again giving you a value saying that your product is going to deliver. Okay, again they are not pushing again. But once the product reaches you, they are sending a mail. Hope the mail is product is reached and it is in a good condition. Please give a review. And since you, then they are going and pitching on a below point saying that since you bought the board, you can buy a marker or a duster, which is also useful for your whatever product you have bought it. So having traffic is important, getting a list important, but not selling through a list on a daily basis, but we have to provide a value that is result. We have to make them know this is the result, and then we should go and pitch the project. So we should give lot of value through our free frame, and then we should pitch the project. Okay. So the amateur people, they will take the link, whatever affiliate link, and they will sell directly product. They will not get any conversion. Okay, 80% people are doing that. Now, many people are spending little bit amount on this opt-in page, okay, and collecting the data and sending the product directly on a thank you page. So directly, as soon as you submit, you will land up on this page. Again, that is also a mature thing. What is the process and strategy which is working? That is, collect a list, give them a value, that is a result what they are going to get, okay, by coming into a list, understand them, communicate them, and then when they reply, again, in the process of list, whoever has come and given you details, everyone will not communicate with you. There is only 20 to 50% people might reply you or might open your mail. No problem. That's a good number. Okay. We can pre-frame them. As I said, if they're not opted, we can retarget. If they're not opening your mail, we can pre-frame them. Okay. There are a lot of strategies. Do not worry on that. But process is this: create an opt-in list, pre-frame, and then sell the product by giving a value, and then pitch the product. Okay, that's the process. Now, but only having a list, how the customer, whoever is coming, how he will know you. If he wants to find you, where he will go and find you? So where he will find you is, you need to have a home on the internet. Okay, so that's a website. So let me draw a home. Sorry, my drawing is horrible. So you need to have a home on the internet. So that's called hub. Okay. Now keep having this hub on the internet. So my hub is manishschool.com. It is here, manishschool.com. So people can find me on the internet by typing this www.manishschool.com. So it's very necessary not only to find you the people, but also to do multi-source of income, MSI. If you have seen my previous videos ever, I would have talked about the multi-source of income, because we are selling the other people's product, but by selling other product, we will not get enough money whatever our goal is. We need to do multiple source of income. As I said, I given the example of the Amazon. First I bought the board, and they are suggesting me the duster and the marker. So that's from one customer, they are making a multiple sales, and they are making multiple source of income. So it's very necessary to have a home on the internet. Why I am calling it home? Because people will come and know you, and they will respect you, and they will trust you, because you have built a home. Come to our real world. If you do not have a home, you are a homeless. Okay, you will sleep on a road. But if you have home, people will respect you. The bigger home, the bigger respect, the bigger self-confident to deliver the value. So nicer the home, the nicer the value you create in home, the more people you will be seeing coming in. Okay. So, for example, you go to another house. So what they do? They welcome you, they give you water, and they exchange some value, and you build a good relationship, and you come back. Similar way. People are coming to your home, you give them a glass of water, then you exchange some nice conversation, and then they buy your bond or your relationship, and you buy their bond and relationship. that gives a happiness and builds a mutual, relation between you guys. So that's how it is. So it's very important to have a home on the internet. Okay, what happens in the home? In this home, you can do all the works, all the tools you can connect. So now to do this landing page, you need to buy some software tools. I will suggest some free tools also. What we need a tracking system. Okay, so to do this, we might need a tracking system. You can see that. So tracking system is how will you come to know who has clicked and who has not? How many people has clicked on my tracking link? Now, if I'm dropping some link here, I should know how much value I would have able to produce to the people. So if I have some tracking link on the link which I'm putting on this video, I'll be knowing how many people have clicked, and it will give me an analysis about this video, whether I am making any sense or not, whether I am providing any value, whether I am good, able to sensible and able to communicate with you guys. So I am able to send a message whatever I want to do, and I can do analysis about myself. So that comes only through the tracking. So by doing business also, we should have an analysis. How many people have opted? If not opted, why it is not opted? So we need to do tweaks we can do on our the way of approach. Okay. The second thing is landing page. I said this one landing page. Landing page, I said, where you can collect their email ID, name and phone number. The third is the hub. Very, very important. Very, very important. If you do not have a home and internet on the internet, as I said, you will be called as homeless. People will not trust you. So, and to do multi-source of income, we need to have this. Listen, we can have, one can have, or you or we can have income source only with the three ways. Okay, only with the three ways. First is the need of the market, not the product. Need of the market. First, you have to understand need of the market. What is the result people are looking for? What is the demand currently? This is a corona. So, what is the demand of the corona? You can see oxygen is going out of the supply. What is that? Some remdesivir, something, some medicine or some capsules, I guess. It is out of stock. So we should understand immunity. So what are the immunity booster you can get it product to know for the people who is on the fear of this pandemic. So you should understand the need of the market. The first income source you can get it. The second is what is your ability to fulfill that need. What is your ability to fulfill that need? Or what is my ability to fulfill it? So first you have to understand what is the need. What is my role to fulfill the need to these people? Okay. Third is how difficult is to replace me. That directly relates to the second point, the ability of fulfilling the need. See, even though you are selling others' product, don't think that you are selling other products, because why we are making a videos, why I'm making a videos, or why I'm learning from a successful people is, even though they have sold other products, but people who bought that, they not bought because the products of some particular company, but they bought the product because the person who is promoting. Okay, now you have to become a good marketer, a good human being, and a good entrepreneur, as I said in the beginning. And that comes only through the awareness, through your mindset. You have to align your conscious, subconscious thought and action so that it can align, and people will see that and they will buy a product where they will get a result and will get a money. Okay? People don't buy a product, they buy a feeling, as I said. So while promoting, you should able to give a feeling. And people, I will tell you secret on this of my learning. People don't like to be sold. People don't like to be sold anything. People like to buy. Okay? Hope I made this sense. For example, any salesman comes to your house and bell your house. Are you interested to go and give your time to him? You will not even listen what is, whether it is maybe useful, it might be giving a result, but you will, in first attempt, you will not entertain him. But if it is a, you have, as I said, it's a corona time, okay? People are sitting at home, they're watching a Facebook, and in Facebook, if suddenly a ad comes of my fear that can put my fear away, and then they will go and click, he will become a customer. Okay, so you have to become a marketer, not by selling a product of others. You have to sell yourself. You have to become a character as a successful entrepreneur. You have to be product. As I many time I said on my video, you don't own a business. Whether you're selling other products or your own products, you don't own a business. You are a business. Okay. So you have to keep yourself healthy and conscious and align with the need of the market, and then go and talk to the people. Got it? Hope I made this sense. And so next video we'll be talking about the tools, software tools which we have to take, tracking links, the landing page, and the hub. Very, very important. Okay, no compromise on that. If you want to grow as an affiliate business, if you want to do affiliate marketing successfully, no compromise on these things. Obviously, these are the additional part which we'll be talking about the coming videos. For next video, we'll be talking about the tools. So, hope I made understand. Become an influential. Look, business, as I said, business is, you are the business. Why Apple is the business? Apple, you might sell Apple products is very good. It is excellent compared to the Windows, any other IBM, HP computers. Okay, Apple is good. But you know, behind the Apple, there is a person. It's a Steve Jobs. Amazon. Amazon might be big, but who started it? Who is the mind behind? He might be not doing any work, but he is managing. But the company started from him. Okay, Jeff Bezos, Musk Melon. Okay. Now, these all people have gone bankruptcy. They have lost their business in between. But because they were themselves a business, they were conscious, aligned with their conscious and subconscious mind. And being a character of awareness, the business again went and came back to us. Steve Jobs have lost, he was kicked out of this Apple company, but he got it again. Jeff Bezos, Musk, all have gone in lost bankruptcy, okay, but they got the business back because business was themselves. I will give another example. Donald Trump, whatever political ideology may be, you might not like him, but what you should understand is psychology of his. Okay, I think when I saw his documentary, I think in 70s or 80s, he went big bankruptcy, big time. But he was a celebrity that time only. He was a big richest guy. And after again he lost so much, he gained that business and he became a president of US again. Okay. So it's, you don't have a business, you are a business. So think on the first part which I said, whatever you're doing, focus on that, learn, become great on that particular thing. If you do not know what to do, then be aware what you want and learn, which I am sharing with you, that is affiliate marketing. So continuing this video, please click the link below, fill the details, get this blueprint, okay, and I will share in coming videos the internet traffic mastery course which is free, okay. because you are you'll be clicking through my link, you'll getting a free. It is not available in the market. Okay, I will give you, and also the other free stuffs which you can use and make some money. Okay, my target is to make 1 lakh in this 25 days. I don't know about you. If you're following me, if you're focusing me, then of course you will also get into align and we both can become a success. Thank you so much. Please drop your feedback, comment on the video whether I made some sense or not. It is a feedback for me to improve my communication with you and improve my skills where I can make difference in my life and the people around me. Thank you so much for watching, and please share the video if you like it.